class, today you're doing Module 4, Lesson 7. So yesterday in Lesson 6, so in Lesson 6, you practiced regrouping. You took 1, 10, 10 ones, you regroup for 1, 10. So when we made that new group of 10, remember we call that composing. So when you compose, it means you make a new group. 10 ones, you regroup for 1, 10, or you compose a group of 10. So today what you're going to do is you're going to practice the same exact skill when you're adding. If you have 10 ones, you're going to compose a group of 10 and regroup it. But today you're going to practice showing that on an equation. So you're going to be learning 2 words today, vertical and horizontal. So vertical and horizontal is the direction that you write your equation. This is vertical, up and down. This is horizontal, left to right. Okay, so when you're writing an equation, usually you see it horizontally. For example, let me give you a new equation to show you how to write it. So usually you see your equation like this. Let's say I have 35 plus 17. We're used to seeing the equation written horizontally. So now you're going to be writing it vertically, up and down. Okay, so first you start with your first addend, which is 35. When you're writing it, you need to make sure that you write the tens in the tens place and the ones in the ones place. Okay, so you would write 3 right here and 5 right here. So it's 35 because it's 3 tens and 5 ones. And then for 17, you would write the 1 group of 10 in the tens place, the 7 ones in the ones place. And then you write your addition sign and then a line for the sum to go below. Okay, so here you can see the ones are vertically stacked up and then the tens are vertically stacked up. So you write the tens together, which is right here, and then you would write the ones together right here. Okay, so now what you're going to do is you're going to add it. So you're going to show it on your place value chart. So let me go over here. And we're going to start with 3 tens and 5 ones. So remember, you need to write for 35. You're not drawing 35 ones. You're going to draw 3 groups of 10 and then 5 ones in the ones place. So let's show that on our work mat. So we have 3 tens, which is 30. And then 5 ones. Remember, you want to do that 10 frame lineup when you add the ones, when you draw the ones, even when you add the tens. So now we're going to draw on our work mat 17. 1 group of 10, 7 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I like to check after. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so now we add in the ones, tens, hundreds, ones, tens, hundreds. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So I see I have a group of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I'm going to regroup 10 ones. You regroup for 1, 10. So there's that new group of 10 right here that I regrouped. Let me write it in black so you know that's the one I regrouped. So now what you're going to do is on your equation, you're going to show that you have another group of 10 down here. So what you're going to do right here is you're going to draw a 1 down here and then you're going to circle it. That is showing us that you regrouped 10 ones from the ones place and you put it in the tens place. So I have 3 groups of 10, which is right here. I have 1 group of 10 right here. But then I have on my work mat, I have that other group of 10, that 5th group of 10, which is right there. 3, 4, 5. 3, 4, 5. So this is how you show on an equation how to regroup. Is you write a 1 below. That's what we call new groups below, because you write it below the groups of 10 that you're adding together, and then you circle it. I like to circle it because you clearly can see that, yeah, you added it because you regrouped it. Okay? So now we're going to write on our answer what's left over in the ones. We have 2 ones, and then I have 5 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 3, 4, 5. Same thing. And then our answer is 52. Okay? Let me show you again. So let's say I have this equation. 45 plus 18. So once again, I'm going to rewrite it vertically. You want to make sure that those ones are stacked up together, 5 and 8, because those are the ones, and then the tens are stacked up together, 4 and 1 group of 10. Do not make the mistake of going like this, because then this shows that you have ones, tens, and hundreds. That is not correct. You need to make sure that you line up the ones together and the tens together so they're kind of right up on top of each other. So you know that there's 5 ones and 8 ones, 4 tens, and 1 10. Okay? So now you're going to show it on your work mat. Let me erase this. So I have 4 groups of 10. And 5 ones. Then I add 1 10 and 8 ones for 18. Still doing my 10 frame lineup. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so now I add in the ones, tens, hundreds. So if I look at my paper, I'm adding 5 plus 8, or 8 plus 5, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Correct. So now I can see if I can regroup. Do I have 10 ones? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes, I do. So I'm going to circle that, cross it off, and then put my regrouping. 10 ones, you regroup for 1 10. So I want to show that on my equation right away to make sure I don't forget. So I'm going to put it down here, and then I'm going to circle it. Remember, new groups below, new group below. Okay? So here I have 3 in the ones place. So I write 3. And then I have 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That should match up. Okay? So it's 6. So, remember, if you can regroup, you want to make sure you regroup on your work mat and on your equation. A lot of people I've seen before forget to regroup. So once you regroup on your work mat, be sure to show it on your equation. Because if you don't show it right away, you might forget. And then it'd be 4 plus 1 equals 5, which that's not the answer. It's 6 tens, not 5 tens. So make sure you put that group of 1 and you circle it to show that you regrouped it. Okay, so let's take a look at that problem set for today. So it's lesson 7 problem set. It says, solve the following problems using the vertical form, meaning up and down. Your place value chart and place value discs. Bundle a 10, regroup it when necessary. Think about which ones you can solve mentally too. You're not solving it mentally. I would like you to show it on your work mat. Okay, so you're going to solve these problems. So the first one, I should see you rewriting it in vertical form. This is horizontal. You want to show it up and down. So you should be writing 22. And then let's talk about where you would put that 8, in the ones or the tens. So since it's just ones, you would put it in the ones place. Okay, remember, this is like the ones, this is like the tens. Okay, same thing with 21 plus 9. You want to put it right here because these are the ones, these are the tens. You got to separate them. Okay? So make sure you put it exactly where the ones go. Stack those on top of each other, and then the tens, they get stacked up on each other. And then you're going to represent this on your place value chart, just like I did. If you regroup, remember, bundle it, cross it off, regroup over here, and then don't forget to add it down here in your new groups below. And then you write a 1 and you circle it. Okay, and then on the back, you have some word problems. Okay, so same thing. If it's addition, you're going to show your equation on your work mat. Okay, because it says solve the following problems using your place value chart and place value discs. Okay, get started.